JN1, AIDS, methanogens, and RNA viruses. So far, humans are no longer fully able to control RNA viruses. It's because the mutations RNA viruses create in human DNAs and the further reformation is complicated. That means these viruses can reform their existing RNAs and build on human DNAs. This makes our immune system unable to read the information and the total body repair gets problematic. The result is reduction of mortality age. This is like virus genes evading and escaping the previous immune responses and creating their own protein molecules using our DNA as a host. The world of RNA viruses first of all is uncontrollable to humans because of its stable reformation. Next is RNA belongs to the plant kingdom. We humans are, even if we say omnivores, we are more lent to meat or animal protein. That may be the another reason we do not have sufficient immune responses to RNA viruses. Next is the fast adaptation of these viruses to penetrate into the cells and to create proteins favorable to their survival. That's why RNA virus mutations are complicated. Around 4 years gone, still we are struggling with COVID and its mutations. The recent circulating variant is JN1, a latest mutations of coronavirus. Fever, sore throat, repeating infections, cough, headache, upper respiratory tract infections are common. People are totally tired from all these kinds of diseases. If you try to observe the hotspots, it will become more clear. Experts say mRNA viruses are effective. After mutations, it needs new vaccines. How long will this cycle go? Coronaviruses are RNA viruses just like human immunoviruses. HIV left untreated leads to human immunodeficiency syndrome, that's fatal to your existences. Does HIV has permanent cure? Recent news listings are saying that HIV is spreading rapidly in populations. In India and abroad its cases are increasing. It doesn't have permanent cure. Managing and slowing the viral sudden spread inside the body is the only solution. It diminishes your immunity gradually, causing you vulnerable to all diseases. Sharing injection needles, razors, unprotected intercourse with multiple partners, blood transfusion, from mother to children, breastfeeding and placental transfer, this HIV RNA virus can spread. Think about JN1 and COVID in this perspective. This won't end soon. Why methanogens and anaerobic bacteria is important here. Future RNA bacteria, say disease X, will be highly uncontrollable. The calcium helmets, or no creations can prevent these diseases. The scientific research world, in a way, very much anxious about all these. They are expressing their concerns. Developing mRNAs take huge time, and this is like loot of the companies, collapsing weak economies. Experts say that, so to effectively prevent RNA viruses, develop remedies from RNA world. That's is the only possible way. Next is these HIV and COVID is not affecting herbivores. This is because some anaerobic bacteria and methanogens is preventing its gene expression. Human journey has to concentrate on finding anaerobic organisms. What is your opinion?